Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Odoo's accounting software. So let's get right into it. So either while you're setting up your account or once you've already set it up and through the apps menu, you can set up the accounting module right over here. And once you install it onto your dashboard or onto your account, you can start using it very easily. What you're going to do is you're going to click on it. And here we're on the dashboard of the accounting software. You can go to the dashboard, you can go to customers, vendors, accounting, do whatever you want. I'll go into accounting, and here you'll see journal entries, journal items, analytic items, assets, loans, reconciliations or reconcile, lock dates, etc. Or through the dashboard, you can click over here on new, and you can create a couple of different things. You can create a bank, a card, cash, a miscellaneous journal, sales journal, or a purchases journal. Choose whatever you want. So for example, a sales journal, you can set up the name. I'll just name it test. It's going to be a sales journal. You can also choose it to be a purchase journal, cash journal, whatever, whichever of the ones previously mentioned, and then set up all the other settings. And now you can go into journal entries over here. You can create a new journal entry by okay, not from here, it looks like I mixed something up, excuse me. But yeah, we can go into accounting, we can go into journal entries, and then we can click on new. And here you can add a new journal entry. So for example, test, you can add lines, and this can be whatever you want. Account can be Godwill, the partner can be just my account, label, I don't know, T1, debit and credit can be whatever you set them up to be. So for example, I'll type in credit to be 1 and debit to be 2. And as you'll see, it'll change according to whatever you write here. And then it's going to be here at the bottom, and that'll go into posted once you save it like this. As you can see, it's not balanced, so let's say 10 on the debit, and it should allow me to save right now. For some reason, invalid operation. I'm not very familiar with this, but that's pretty much how you can use the accounting software. I'll just discard the changes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.